Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video of DigiGuru, and in this video of ours we will be practically learning how to make a sitemap for our website. Now before I dive down to the practical part of the sitemap, let me first make you understand what is the necessity of a sitemap. As the name suggests, the sitemap means the map of the entire website. It means that when a crawler is coming down to our website, he is getting a complete map where which posts or which images or which pages are present on my entire domain. So with this help of informations, it is very easier for the crawlers to list all the pages in the Google server. And when he would be listing the list of all the pages that we are having, our chances of page coming to the Google search result would be much faster than in any other condition. So keeping this into consideration, let's now learn how to create a sitemap for our website. Now in order to create a sitemap, the first thing that we need to do is we need to search for sitemap on our Google. So for that, let's open Google. Now so in Google we need to write XML sitemap, XML sitemap generator. You can see the first option which is coming is XML sitemap generator, so we'd be clicking that and we'd be going into this first website, that is xmlsitemap.com. Now out here, as you can see, the first option which they are asking us is to insert the URL of the website. So I would always suggest you all to, whenever you need to enter the URL, always open the website, a new tab, and copy the URL of that website and then paste it. Many times we do a mistake of writing of HTTP or HTTPS or www or without www. So I'd always suggest you all to copy the domain name, as my website's name is Digital Guru. So I will just copy the website's name and I'll be just pasting it out here. And then I'll click on start. Once I'll click on start, this would be scanning all the pages and posts and images which is present on my domain, and then it will be listing everything in front of me. So this process may take a little bit of time, as on my website there are lots of pages and posts which are already present. So let's just wait for this process to get completed. Right, so as you can see now, it has scanned 130 pages, out of which he have added 78 only. Now I need to see the result of this. Probably there would be something or some other pages which is there. Now as you can see in front of me, these are the pages which are being added into the website, and there are almost 8 broken links which is present on my website, which I need to check and I need to ideally correct it. Once I am done with my sitemap, there is an option of me to download your XML sitemap. So I need to download it first. So moment I'll be clicking on download, a file with the name of sitemap.xml will be downloaded, as you can see at the left side bottom of the screen. Once this file is downloaded, then I need to go to Search Console. So in order to go to Search Console, just on Google write Webmaster Search Console and you need to click on Webmaster Search Console. If you're opening it for the first time, then you need to do the verifications. So in order to do the verification, we need to just click on Start. And we need to add our website's domain name inside it. Suppose I need to continue with this email ID of mine. And once I have confirmed, so I am direct inside my Search Console. If you are a new user and you want to validate your account, how to get an account or how to create an account on Search Console, you need to check one of my other video where I have almost like taken down the entire process of creating an account on Search Console. So you can refer to that video. So in this we'll be continuing. So when you are having an activated account, so on the left side of yours you would be having an option of sitemap. As you can see, it is already a sitemap which is created, right? And this is the sitemap which is created out earlier, right? And it is covering all those pages, 78 pages, which was earlier indexed on my website. Now if you're creating the sitemap for the first time, so what you need to do is you need to go to the cPanel. If you are using a HostGator's hosting or another hosting, either you'd be having a cPanel or HPanel. So as I'm using on Hostinger's hosting, so the control panel is called as HPanel in Hostinger. So I would be guiding you how to go to the control panel or the HPanel, and from at which place you need to ideally paste the sitemap file that I have just uploaded. So let this file just get open. So this is my website. So I would be clicking on the website that I'm having. So as I am having a multi-domain hosting, so I'm having more than one website which is there on my hosting account. So once I have selected the thing, and even if you are going into cPanel, you might be having something called as a file manager. So this might be the first option in cPanel, and if you are using Hostinger or another hosting, you just need to find the file manager on your website, on your cPanel. So click on the file manager. In file manager, if you are using HostGator's hosting, then you might be having something called as public_html, right? So you need to click on public_html, which would be appearing on the left hand side of your screen. And if you are using Hostinger, then I'll be showing you where you need to go. Let just the screen get loaded. So we just need to select the domain. So in my case it is this domain, so it'll be going inside it. So this is the public_html for my website. Same you would be also having public_html. So you need to go to public_html, and out here you need to upload the sitemap. So this was the sitemap which earlier I was having. As you can see, this is the sitemap that I was having earlier. And to check, is there any more sitemap which is listed out there? Don't think so. So I would be removing this previous sitemap. So if you are doing it for the first time, so probably there would be no sitemap present. So you just simply need to upload the sitemap. As in my case, I'm already having the sitemap, so I'd be removing the previous sitemap, and I would be uploading the new sitemap out in the public_html. Upload. So once this sitemap is uploaded, after you have uploaded the sitemap, you need to come back to your Search Console, and out here you need to write the sitemap.xml, right? So right here, sitemap.xml, and you need to click on submit. Moment you have clicked on submit, you will get a notification out here, something like this. So in my case, as I'm already having this sitemap, so it is just said successful. In some cases out here it might give an option something like couldn't fetch or something like any other error. So in order to overcome that, simply click on this refresh button. Once you've clicked on the refresh button, so the data would be successful coming, and as you can see, the date is 9th October, that is today's date, on which I have just uploaded the sitemap, and it is successful. So this is the complete process how we can upload a sitemap on our website. I hope it is clear to you. In case if you're having any doubt, do ask the question in the comment section so that I can get back to you with the same. Thank you.